A question for the ages. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a profound sense of wonder? The universe is vast and mysterious. It makes us question our place in the grand scheme of things. What if everything we know, everything we feel, isn't real? What if we're living in a simulation? It might sound like science fiction, but the idea that our reality is simulated has captivated thinkers for centuries. Ancient Greek philosophers pondered the nature of reality. They questioned whether our senses deceive us. Today, with the rise of powerful computers and virtual reality, this age-old question takes on a whole new meaning. Could we be living in a computer program? Our experiences crafted by lines of code? The simulation hypothesis suggests just that. It's a mind-bending idea, but it's one that we need to consider as technology advances at an unprecedented rate. The simulation hypothesis proposes that everything we perceive as real, the world, the universe, even ourselves, is part of a sophisticated computer simulation. Imagine a highly advanced civilization, perhaps alien or post-human, creating a program so complex that it generates an entire reality. This idea has gained traction in recent years, especially among tech leaders and futurists in Silicon Valley. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has famously stated that the odds are 1 in billions that we're not living in a simulation. Movies like The Matrix have brought the concept of simulated realities into popular culture. But the simulation hypothesis isn't just a Hollywood plot device. It's a serious philosophical and scientific idea with profound implications for how we understand our existence and the universe around us. The modern framework for the simulation argument was laid out in 2003 by philosopher Nick Bostrom. In his landmark paper, Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?, Bostrom argues that at least one of the following statements must be true. 1. Civilizations like ours are highly likely to go extinct before reaching a post-human stage. 2. Post-human civilizations will have little interest in running ancestor simulations like ours. 3. We are almost certainly living in a computer simulation. Bostrom's argument rests on the assumption that if future civilizations have the technological capability and desire to create realistic simulations, they likely will. And if they create enough simulations, it becomes statistically more probable that we are living in one of those simulations than in the original real universe. His thought experiment forces us to confront the unsettling possibility that our reality might be a carefully constructed illusion. Section 4: Clues from the Quantum Realm. Evidence for a simulated universe. While the simulation hypothesis remains a philosophical debate, some intriguing clues from the realm of science seem to lend credence to the idea. Quantum mechanics, the study of the very small, is full of bizarre phenomena that challenge our intuitive understanding of reality. For instance, the famous double-slit experiment shows that light can behave as both a wave and a particle, depending on whether it's being observed. This suggests that the act of observation somehow influences the state of reality at the quantum level. This is reminiscent of how a computer program might render only the necessary details when they are being observed, conserving processing power. Furthermore, the pixelated nature of reality at the Planck scale, the smallest possible unit of measurement, could be seen as evidence of a simulated universe composed of discrete units of information. Some physicists speculate that the laws of physics themselves might be akin to lines of code in a vast cosmic program. Section 5: Technology on the Horizon, Getting Closer to Simulating Reality. While creating a simulation as complex as our universe seems like an impossible feat, it's worth considering the rapid pace of technological advancement. Virtual reality is becoming increasingly immersive, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Artificial intelligence is advancing at an astonishing rate, with AI systems now capable of learning, adapting, and even creating art and music. If this trend continues, It's not inconceivable that future civilizations could possess the computational power and sophisticated algorithms needed to create ancestor simulations indistinguishable from reality. They could simulate entire universes with conscious beings like ourselves, unaware of their true nature. Section 6. Life in the Matrix. The implications of a simulated existence. The implications of living in a simulated reality are profound and far-reaching. If our experiences are ultimately governed by lines of code, what does that say about free will, consciousness, and the meaning of life? Does it even matter if our reality isn't real in the traditional sense, as long as our experiences feel authentic? Some argue that the simulation hypothesis undermines the significance of our choices and actions. If we're just characters in a computer program, our lives might be predetermined, our destinies already written. Others, however, see it as a liberating concept. It could mean that death isn't the end, but merely a transition to another level of reality, or a different simulation altogether. The possibility of simulated existence raises fundamental questions about the nature of reality, consciousness, and the limits of human knowledge. Section 7. The Search for Truth. Unraveling the mystery of our reality. The simulation hypothesis, while compelling, remains firmly in the realm of speculation. We currently lack the scientific tools and knowledge to definitively prove or disprove whether we're living in a simulation. However, the very act of contemplating this mind-bending possibility can deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It encourages us to question our assumptions, to look beyond the surface of reality and ponder the true nature of existence. The search for truth, whether we're living in a simulation or not, is a journey worth taking. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and inspires us to explore the most fundamental mysteries of the cosmos. So, the next time you look up at the stars, ask yourself, is this real, or just a figment of a highly advanced computer program? The answer, for now, remains a tantalizing mystery.